Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you too. Be very careful with who you let drive your vehicle. I'll explain. Here they brought us an Opel Vivaro. What had they changed? The rear brake pads, and since then the car braked worse than with the used pads, and also noticed a knocking in the rear. He brought it to us. Here they have done an awful lot, because here they are playing with safety. Do you see the spring? That spring goes inside. Okay. That spring is pressed against the body of the brake caliper, because the function of this spring is that the brake pad does not move and that it also absorbs vibrations. So, having it on the outside, what happens is that the pad is dancing inside, and then it doesn't work well, and it also takes longer for the car to brake. It's the noise that was heard there. Here I was intrigued what had happened to the other pad that goes by inside, because in the other pill no, he can take the spring out. He has deformed the spring to be able to take it out there. The person who has done it had never changed the brake pad. Look, now the colleague is disassembling them. There you see, what has he done in the other one, in the other pill, to be able to put it inside, because of course, if he didn't know how to do it, how do I say, you see, there you can see the spring that he has deformed to get it out. And in the other pill, as you see, it intrigued me, how did you put the other pad in? Because in that one you can't remove it from the outside because it goes inside. What you have done has been, directly remove the spring. What this does is make the brake pads dance in the car. Logically, it doesn't brake well. That's why you could hear that knocking, because the pads are dancing. Okay? In other words, be very careful with these things. With friends who are fans of mechanics, when in doubt, take it to a workshop, because this, as I say, it makes the car brake badly. And in the end you can have an accident. Have a lot of careful with these things. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.